Together we've grown, if ever apart. All I want you to know is your love is life-changing, and I couldn't be the same without you, darling. Your love is life-saving. You always catch me when I fall. When the tour bus drop off and all light lock off, and I'm a mere mortal again. Promoter belly full and all the fans gone home. I'm glad that you're more than a friend. Woman, your love is life-changing, and I couldn't be the same without you, darling. Your love is life-saving. You always catch me when I fall. There's people just like you and me, we pass them in the traffic, that never fall in love, and some me have it, say me lucky. Enough of them not fortunate enough to have somebody. Some just cannot see beyond the flesh, and it's so funny. Never get too caught up in yourself to feel the magic. True love come and pass you by in life, but it's so tragic. Opportunity is good, so take it while you have it. Don't wait till you are panic. Well, the last man you there would make a big mistake. Left and gone for good and miss out something we're great. Loyal and full of it when enough of them a move fake. Our things separate, we can't separate, cause I would miss you, baby, and I can't do without you, darling. Yes, and I would miss you, baby. Girl, you know I love you bad. Affairs of the heart. Together we've grown, things fall apart. All I want you to know, woman, your love is life-changing, and I wouldn't be the same without you, darling. Your love is life-saving. You always catch me when I fall.
Exclusive.
Harmony Security. This is the #1 dancehall show on 1Xtra with Wilma Ranks. Security.
When I'm away, it's like my songs always, cause you're not near to hear me. If I lost my way, I'd know I'd be okay, cause you'd be there to care me. I know, man, I can see things clearly. You're genuine because you love sincerely. You never let me down, not even nearly, not even barely. Girl, you know I love you bad. Some see the laughter and don't see the tears. Some see the courage and don't see the fear. Some for themselves and they don't intend to share. Some say I love and only pretend to care. Well, enough of them are just miscongeniality. Them pretty face and them not face reality. Well, them a quantity, woman, you a quality. Girl, you know